Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Changkuoth Nyak bringing you a true and tragic report from South Sudan. A violent incident occurred on Thursday morning in Pochalla North County, located within the Greater Pibor administrative area. According to local authorities, Army assailants ambushed a family that was traveling by bicycle from Pochalla town to Borato Payam. The individual on the bicycle include a man, his 12-year-old nephew, and his 10-year-old son. They were returning from Pochalla town, where the young boy had reportedly received medical treatment a few days earlier. During the journey, the group was ambushed by 7 army men. The adult man sustained gunshot injuries to his arm, but managed to escape the scene. Unfortunately, his 12-year-old nephew was shot and killed instantly, and his 10-year-old son was abducted. Gilo Ushan Gilo, the commissioner of Pochalla North County, confirmed the attack and stated that local authorities believe army use from the Pibor area may have been responsible. He condemned the act and called for a full investigation. County Police Inspector Kolena Amiti Uchan reported that police, soldiers, and local youth responded immediately after the attack, but found that the assailant had already fled. The deceased child was brought back to Pochalla for burial, and the wounded adult was taken to Pochalla Hospital for treatment. As of Thursday evening, the attackers were reportedly being pursued in the direction of Pibor. The Greater Pibor Administrative Area Information Minister Nyenga Okano Kiro confirmed that authorities had received the report and were tracking the attackers' movement. An official report is expected to be released once investigations are completed. This incident highlights ongoing security challenge in remote areas of South Sudan, where civilians are often vulnerable during travel. The attack has drawn condemnation from local leaders and humanitarian organizations, and there is a growing pressure on the authorities to respond swiftly and prevent similar incidents in the future. That concludes the report. For continued updates on this and other news from across South Sudan, please subscribe to Changkuoth Nyak and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.